If you've been posting YouTube shorts every day hoping your channel will grow faster, you are doing more harm than good.
Wait till you worry this one. Who be this one? Come up for road. You know me before.
Yes, you might be getting more views, more subscribers. Meanwhile, your long form videos are struggling. Your watch time is low and your subscribers count might not even reflect real growth.
Small bunk.
Yes.
With your people. I mean people.
No, I don't get the people. I don't get the people.
Your family.
No, I don't get to.
Papa.
I don't get to.
Mama.
I don't get to.
Brother.
I don't get to.
Sister.
I don't get.
Friends.
I don't even get the friends at all.
YouTube Short could secretly be killing your channel, and today I'm going to show you exactly how and how to stop the damage before it's too late. Hi guys, my name is Ekwiavi, and on this channel I help small creators grow smarter on YouTube. So if this is your first time here, you are most welcome. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Today, we are talking about something I wish I knew earlier: why posting YouTube shorts without a clear strategy could ruin your long-form growth. So, without wasting much time, let's dive right in. So, YouTube created shorts to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. They wanted to make it easier for new creators to get discovered quickly. Yes. And their plan worked. Shorts can give you 10,000 views in a day. You can gain 100 subscribers overnight.
Photo, not be juju be that. Sorry oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
But here is the catch. The type of audience YouTube sends to your shorts is completely different from the audience who watches your long form videos.
Continue.
Short viewers are in a fast scroll mode. They are swiping through content at high speed, looking for entertainment and not commitment. They might enjoy what they see, but they are not sticking around to build connection with you or with your content. So let's say you've been posting shorts regularly and you've gained up to 1,000 subscribers and your views are blowing up massively. But the moment you upload your long form videos, like 10 minutes long, you get like 50 views or maybe 100 views. That's not a content problem, it's viewer mismatch. Okay,
Hey man, what's your business, man? What's your business? How did they concern you, man? Man, you don't know nothing, man. You know what you are? EP, aka enemy of progress. Now listen to me. You know what I'm saying? You get out of here right now. What?
You just
Do me a favor.
YouTube is now recommending your long form videos to your short audience, people who didn't subscribe for longer content. Now here's what they do: they click off after 10 seconds or they scroll past it. Even if they do watch, they do not engage with your content. They do not leave any comments or like it. That tells YouTube this video isn't good enough, even if the content is amazing. The algorithm now sees weak signals and it will stop recommending your videos to more people. Because of that, your real audience might not even get the chance to see it. YouTube's algorithm is smart, but it relies on consistency. If 80% of your viewers came from short, YouTube thinks, okay, this is a short creator, so let's keep sending them short viewers. But long form videos depends on a very different signals like click-through rate, watch time, session duration, and returning viewers. When your data becomes lopsided, YouTube has no clear idea who your content is really for. And that's when your long form videos stop getting impressions even when they are high quality. This is a silent killer behind so many small creators feeling stuck. Now, here's another thing most people don't realize. Watch time from short does not count towards the 4,000 watch hours you need to join the YouTube Partner Program.
What? What?
Yet, short have a separate monetization pathway, but the RPM is usually low unless you are going mega viral. Even at that, the earnings are tiny, very, very tiny. So now you are just growing an audience and not your income. You've got a subscribers count that looks good, but when you drop a full video, nobody shows up.
That's true. That's true. That's pretty true. That's pretty true. I mean,
You can't build a full-time YouTube brand on vanity numbers. You need people who stick with you, who watch your message, and who care about your voice. Let me be clear, I am not against shorts. I do in fact post short, but the goal isn't to go viral. The goal is to stay strategic. Now, here is how to do it right. Number one, use short to tease your long form videos. Think of them as trailer, like movie trailer. 2. Repurpose the most valuable part of your long form videos into 15 seconds hook, then direct people to the full version. 3. Make sure your short match your channel niche. Don't just post any random trends just for views, okay? If your short align with your long form value, you will attract the right viewers and not just more viewers. In 2025, strategy matters more than ever. You don't need to post 5 shorts in a day. You need to post the right content to the right people with purpose. So please don't chase numbers, chase connection. Okay, so that is all for today. If you found this video helpful,
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me. I'm grateful to Him.
please like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.